All right, 6 a.m. Thursday morning. We're getting this day started. So we've got that Fed meeting out of the way. Yesterday, Federal Reserve comes out and their monetary policy meeting says, as we expected, no change to interest rates, no change to any of the stimulus measures that they've put in place. And really, they're going to remain accommodative until we get past this pandemic and try and keep this economy rolling. As a result of that, equity markets rally yesterday. Dollar continues to sell off. Heading into the open today, we're looking at that British pound up above 1.30. We're seeing the euro still up above 1.17. Dollar yen holding strong at 105. So again, weakness in the dollar continues. Looking at the equity markets, different story. Equity markets are selling off. So we're down about 1% across the board in all the major indices. Europe had a rough session overnight. So Germany reports their GDP last night, came in worse than expected. Down 10% quarter over quarter. Worst number they've seen, worst quarterly number they've seen since the 1970s. So you've got the DAX down nearly 3%, the FTSE down over 2%, so Europe's just getting hammered this morning. That's trickling over into the US a little bit in this pre-market. Oil getting hit hard as well, down 2% this morning, back below $41 a barrel in WTI. So we got a big day for a number of reasons. One, we've got the GDP number coming out this morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Now, headline expectation for that number is a contraction of 34%, negative 34%. That's right, big number. So we'll see what shakes out for you folks in that GDP contract. That number will settle today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. After the bell today, we've got a slew of big tech earnings. Could really move the markets tonight in the overnight session as we head into tomorrow. So something to be aware of there. It's going to be a big day. There's a lot going on. I know it's summer. I know it's quiet, but there's a lot shaking. And like I said yesterday, this is not your typical summer. There is a lot of opportunity out there. So I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's have some fun today. Bye-bye, folks.